style. So we'll remove all these branches and we'll keep only topmost branches and we'll make it into a bonsai, literati bonsai. So for that, so we are clearing all these branches now. Only this one, this will be here and this will be like this. So like this. It will be down coming like this one, like that.
So ये मतलब ये नीचे जाएगा.
ये नीचे जाएगा. Okay. So first we cut off all. This wood is very hard. When you are wiring the plant, the plant should not get any hurt like this. So there should not be any cracks. To for that, we are wrapping the trunk line with wrapping tape or insulin tape or any with the skin of the banana plant. We can wrap it around the trunk line. On this now we will do wiring and slowly we will bend the branch. That is the movement. For the literati style or very hard branches, we will do like that.
This much broad.
Yeah, this one not this. Depending on the trunk line thickness, will take 1/3 of the thickness of the thick diameter wire. So push it hard into the soil, and this one we have to bend it for the safety. Slowly from the down portion.
Okay.
Now we have to wire this. Okay, we can take little bit thin wire like this.
Okay.
This stick, we are bending the branch towards our side. That is the one. This will be on the back. This branch will be on the back, and this will be in the front, like this. Now you can remove this one. This one. It will stay like that. After still you want more, you can bend the branch.